That looks like shit. Kind of a nothing day in the garage today, but I did manage to get the Mustangs out. They're both out idling. Got some room in here. I think I'm gonna take the welder out and put it through its paces. I bought a couple of welding kits from Amazon, which is basically overpriced little coupons of sheet metal that are bent into certain shapes. But they're fun little things that you can try to put together and make like a shape and learn how to weld better. As you know, my welds are probably some of the worst on YouTube. This could only be good, right? Right. We'll see what I can get done. I'll go over my my current setup. Please, if you have any suggestions, I would love to hear them. It's for learning. Yeah, I want to learn. So feel free to make fun of me all you want, but if somebody's trying to learn something, try to help them out, would you? This is 25% argon, 25% carbon dioxide. I don't know if it says it anywhere. Oh wait. And this is the wire that I'm running. This is 0.024 diameter. Heat, $17.99. This came with the welder, which is a Lincoln Handy MIG 110. So not as powerful as a 220, but still fun. Another quick note about my setup here is I closed both my garage doors because I have lit fires with my welder before. Yes, there's going to be Mustangs idling in the background. Cool, so I have an auto darkening helmet. I'm going to use these as just something to put stuff on. I've decided to do it outside also because it's really nice today, finally. That looks like shit. bad deed. I think. I don't know. Let's let it cool for a little bit. That one's flat. I need a welding table. This is gonna do it. All right, it's all welded up. I'll let it cool off and then I'll get some better shots of it. But yeah, I melted all sorts of stuff. I need a grounded welding table, but maybe we'll do that for the next video. While we're waiting for that to cool off, this is a this is a triangle, like a pyramid kind of shape, and I believe this one is like a pentagon, like a dodecahedron kind of deal. But the idea is I will do these in follow-up videos. Hopefully I will have some feedback on how to avoid being so awful on the cube. And maybe one day when I'm really good, I'll come back and redo the cube. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw the cube in here. I'm going to hit it with the flap wheel to clean it up a bit. And then maybe I'll give it a coat of black paint or something. Do a old grinder and paint. Makes me the welder I need. While this is drying, we can take some close-ups. You can see the voids, my sloppy grinding job. Come on to the sun side. Overall, not super happy with how it came out, but I am learning, so practice. Now, in honor of the white Mustang, we're going to be painting it Oxford white. Well, here it is. I made a, you can barely see it, but there's still a CNA logo on there. Let's see if I can get some light. Nope. Anyway, there it is. So this is my first attempt at a welding kit by CNA. It is a solid block of steel now, so that's kind of cool. And it is painted Oxford white to my Oxford white Mustang. So yeah, this was fun. Please, if you saw me doing anything stupid, just, say something. I'll try to do better next time. Yeah, the next episode of this, I will try to do the pyramid, if that's what I actually bought. Cool. Any suggestions, please shout them out. I would love to hear them. Thanks for watching.